Ever wish you could make extra cash without flipping burgers or selling your soul to a 9-to-5? I get it. I started a side hustle that made me $40,000 a year, while still in class. And guess what? You can too. Today, I'm breaking down 7 side hustles any student can start in 2025. No magic, no scams, just real ways to turn your skills into cash. Stick around. Number 3 pays $250 per hour, and number 6 got me my first million. We're diving deep into real-life examples, actionable strategies, and the exact steps you can take right now to get started. This is your sign to start that side hustle you've been thinking about. Let me introduce you to Jack Rains. Jack writes a newsletter about finance and travel. Boring? Maybe to some. But get this. He charges $1,400 per ad in his newsletter and sends out 4 a month. That's $5,600 for typing on his couch. The crazy part is that he's not even old enough to rent a car yet. How, you ask? He picked a niche, wrote consistently, and built an audience of loyal subscribers. You can start building your own newsletter today on platforms like Substack or Behave, for free. No upfront costs, no monthly fees, just start writing. Pro tip: want to grow your audience faster? Reach out to other creators in your niche and network. The best part about writing is that it scales incredibly well. Once you've written a piece of content, it can live online forever, generating you leads and customers for years to come. Now let's move on to our next side hustle. Meet Eduardo Morales. Eduardo knew zero about social media, but that didn't stop him from building a massive following. He grew his Instagram account at Pinlord to 100,000 followers selling enamel pins. Now he makes $3,500 a month, all by sharing his passion with the world. Here's the secret. You don't need to create, just curate. Love books? Summarize them like at Alexand Books and build a community of book lovers. Obsessed with sneakers? Review new drops, share your favorite styles, and connect with other sneakerheads. Find a niche, post daily, and monetize with affiliate links or by selling your own merch down the line. Warning: this is a J-curve hustle. It takes months to build a following and gain traction. But once it pops, you'll have a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations and a stream of passive income for life. Now let's talk about a side hustle that's a little more unconventional. This is one of my favorites. If you're looking for a way to make money online, Amazon KDP is a fantastic option. Let me introduce you to my friend Jake. Jake is a regular guy, just like you and me. Jake sells cat coloring books on Amazon. Yes, you heard that right. Coloring books for cats. Now before you click away, hear me out. This isn't just a quirky idea, it's a lucrative business. Jake has never written a single word of published content in his life. He didn't need to be an author or a professional writer. He simply designed layouts in Canva, uploaded them to Amazon, and watched the sales roll in. Canva made it easy for him to create professional-looking designs without any prior experience. Last month, $8,000 in profit. That's right, Jake made $8,000 in just 1 month from his coloring books. How crazy is that? Here's how it works. Amazon handles all the printing, shipping, and customer service. You don't have to worry about inventory or logistics. You just upload your designs, set your price, and collect your royalties every month. It's a simple, hands-off process. My #1 tip: start with word search books. They're easy to create and have a broad appeal. The barrier to entry is incredibly low, there's very little competition, and there's always a high demand for simple, easy-to-consume content. You don't need to be a literary genius to succeed. Think about it. People are always looking for gifts, especially around the holidays. A unique book can be the perfect present. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is that you can build a passive income stream that generates money while you sleep. Imagine waking up to find you've made sales overnight. Now let's move on to a side hustle that's perfect for all you creative types out there. If you love art and design, this next idea will be right up your alley. Chapter 4, The Thumbnail Designer. This next one is a game changer. It's all about creativity, strategy, and a bit of hustle. Let me tell you about Dill Tomer. Dill is a young, ambitious designer who saw an opportunity and seized it. Dill started designing thumbnails on Fiverr for $15 a pop. It wasn't much, but it was a start. He knew that a great thumbnail could make or break a video's success, and he was determined to learn the art of creating eye-catching graphics. He spent countless hours studying the best practices and trends. Fast forward to today, and Dill now charges $250 per thumbnail. His dedication and hard work paid off. That's right, $250 for a single image. It's a testament to the value of his skill and the demand for quality thumbnails. And the best part is that he has more clients than he can handle. His schedule is packed and he's constantly turning down work. YouTubers like myself need great thumbnails to attract viewers, and we're willing to pay top dollar for them. A compelling thumbnail can be the difference between a video going viral or being overlooked. How to start? Redesign 3 thumbnails for your favorite YouTuber. Pick videos that you think could use a visual boost. Email them, "Hey, name, I'm a huge fan of your work, and I took the liberty of redesigning a few of your thumbnails. I believe these could help increase your views and engagement. I'd love to hear your thoughts." This approach shows initiative and can open doors to paid opportunities. Charge $50 to $100 per design when you're just starting out. As you build your portfolio and reputation, you can gradually increase your rates. Now let's talk about a side hustle that's perfect for all you research nerds out there. Chapter 5: The Research Assistant. Ever wonder how some people seem to land their dream jobs with little to no experience? It's all about providing value up front. Let me tell you about Billy. Billy landed a dream job with none other than Ryan Holiday by sending him one well-crafted email. How? He offered value first. Billy was a fan of Ryan's work and knew that he was writing a new book about Stoicism. So he did his research, compiled a list of 10 relevant studies that he thought Ryan might find helpful, and sent him a simple email offering to share them. Authors, YouTubers, CEOs, they all need research help, and they're willing to pay for it. Start by charging $30 to $100 per hour, and as you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can increase your rates. Now let's talk about a side hustle that can make you some serious cash. Chapter 6: The Remote Sales Rep. This next one is not for the faint of heart, but it has the potential to replace your full-time income in a matter of months. Let me tell you about Wouter. Wouter was just a regular student from the Netherlands when he decided to take a chance and send a tweet to a successful entrepreneur named Sean Puri. That single tweet led to a sales gig where Wouter made a staggering $250,000 in just 2 months. That's right, $250,000 in 60 days. How to start? Find startups that are hiring remote sales reps on LinkedIn. Simply search for remote sales rep. Offer to close deals for them on commission. Start by asking for 10 to 20% of every sale you generate. No experience? No problem. Study Grant Cardone's book Sell or Be Sold and learn the fundamentals of closing deals. Now, let's wrap things up with one final side hustle that's in high demand. Chapter 7: The Web Designer. This last one is for all you tech-savvy individuals out there. Meet my friend Henry. Henry learned webflow in his spare time over the course of 6 months. He was determined to master the art of web design, and he dedicated countless hours to honing his skills. He started by watching free tutorials on YouTube, absorbing every bit of information he could find. Then he put his skills to the test by building fake websites for practice. These practice projects allowed him to experiment and learn from his mistakes. Fast forward to today, and Henry now commands $10,000 per website design. His journey from a novice to a professional web designer is truly inspiring. That's right, $10,000 for a few weeks of work. It's amazing what dedication and hard work can achieve. And he's booked solid for months in advance. His calendar is filled with projects and he's constantly in demand. Here's his secret. He learned a valuable skill, built up his portfolio, and showcased his best work to potential clients. He then reached out to small business owners offering his services. By targeting small businesses, he found a niche market that needed his expertise. Start by offering a discounted rate of $1,000 per website to attract your first few clients. This strategy helped Henry build a solid client base and gain valuable experience. The demand for skilled web designers is insane right now. Businesses are constantly looking for talented individuals to create and maintain their online presence. I recently had a founder tell me that he would happily pay $400,000 per year for a good designer. That's a testament to how valuable this skill set is in today's market. That's how valuable this skill set is. It's not just about the money, it's about the impact you can make with your skills. The takeaway here is simple: just learn the skill. Dedicate yourself to mastering it, and the rewards will follow. You can teach yourself just about anything online for free these days. The internet is a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be explored. Pick a skill that's in high demand, put in the work, and stay committed to your learning journey. Then, go out there and offer your services to the world. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and take on new challenges. Now let's wrap things up. Look, I won't lie. Side hustles take work, but which sounds worse? Grinding for 4 hours a week on your terms, building something you're passionate about and having the freedom to do what you want when you want, or being stuck in a job you hate, dreading Monday mornings and living for the weekends. The choice is clear. You have the power to create the life you want. Smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and go get that bag. See you in the next one. Peace.